Now, I'm no BMW expert, but I do know that a 2013 BMW 535 has a 3.0 liter engine, also known as the N55. Much like other BMW engines, this one has an oil cooler, and behind this oil cooler is a gasket. Now, these gaskets like to leak oil all over the place, much like the valve cover gasket, but that's another story for another day. You can repair this oil leak in about 10 minutes with only one socket. There's 3 bolts that hold the oil cooler on, and once it comes off, you're just going to clean up that flat surface, take out the old gasket, put the new one in, and put it back together.